Howdy folks, good morning. A lot of people tell me I can fix my credit on my own, and my answer is always yes, you can. But the next question that comes is, do you want to fix your credit on your own? Well, do you have the time for it? Do you have the knowledge and the expertise? If you are confident in all those areas, by all means, go ahead and fix your credit. Wouldn't anyone do that? You don't need somebody to tell you if you have the capabilities. But let's say you do not. For instance, take my car. I can fix my car. If I did the research, it would take me some time and effort. But do I really want to do that? No, I do not. I let the professionals handle it. Same thing with credit, folks. You should take it seriously and let the professionals handle it. Give me a call at 818-399-1886. I look forward to speaking with you. Bye-bye.